Okay, so this is the new DEYE off-grid inverter. This is the 6 kilowatt version. Okay, so this is OG01P1-EU-AM2. We'll be unboxing one to see what is in the box. Okay, so it comes with these accessories: MC4 wall mounting, and this MC4 pairs, and also the communication cables. It comes with this manual as well. So this is the inverter itself. This is how the back look like. Very flat. Okay, so you can see the back is very flat, and on the side we have these wall mounting screws. We have the specifications here. So this is the battery port, this is COM1, this is COM2, this is the Wi-Fi. Okay, so the Wi-Fi is already inbuilt. Okay, and you have the load port, you have the gen port, you have the grid port, you have the on and off switch here. Okay, so it comes off by default. Here you have the PV1 and PV2. Okay, so this is basically it. A quick look at the specification. So you can see this is the model number, and you can see it has IP65 rating and is an off-grid inverter. So the working temperature here is minus 40 degrees to 60 degrees, and at 45 degrees the power will derate. Okay, so the protection class is class 1, and the overvoltage category is class 3 and class 2 for DC. PV input is 500 volts, and it needs 150 volts to 425 volts to operate, and the maximum input current it will take from the PV is 18. So even if you oversize this on each string, it won't take more than 18 amps. Battery type, you can see here, you can either use it with lead acid or lithium. The battery voltage is also 48 volts, and you can do from 40 volts to 60 volts. That's the operating range. And we have the maximum charging and discharge current of 135. So the input voltage here is 230, and the frequency is either you selecting 50 or 60 hertz, and you have this input current of 26 amps, and the maximum input power is 8,000 watts, and it can pass through 8,050 watts. So you can see on the load side as well. So we have AC output, which is 230, frequency is the same as the input, output current is 26, and we also have the power, which is 6,000 VA. So this inverter has a power factor of 1, and the peak output is 2 times the rated capacity, and it can do this for 10 seconds. As this warranty seal, so if you break this seal, that means you can't claim warranty. It has all this barcode here, so I'm covering that so that someone does not gain access to my device. Okay, so it has this access code and serial number for the Wi-Fi, because the Wi-Fi is inbuilt. Okay, so we need to open it from here. Okay, good. So this is out. Let's have a look at the inside. So here we can see there's an hidden fan inside here, and also there's another fan here, so making it 2 fans. This fan here will act as the cooling, while this other fan will just act as the heat extractor, which is a nice one for this inverter. Okay, so we have the battery terminal here, we have the negative, positive, we have the parallel option, so we have all these connectors here. We also have the BMS port. Okay, so you can see this is the BMS port, and we have the load here, we have the gen here, we have the grid here. So this gen port can act as a second load port. Okay, so we can use it as a smart load function, or we can input gen from there. Okay, so I have the BMS communication established already. So you can see this is 77%, 77%,